The Monetary Policy Committee decided that the time had come to begin the process of tapering the considerable amount of monetary stimulus that the central bank had injected into the economy during COVID. Compared to the last meeting 2 months ago, there were two new developments for the Monetary Policy Committee. One, as you rightly pointed out, was that demand growth was stronger than previously anticipated. Imports, for example, grew 85% year on year and 11% month on month in August. It's a very healthy clip. The second key development in this Monetary Policy Committee meeting was that at the last meeting, there were concerns about how the Delta variant might impact Pakistan's economy. As you know, it was a very rapidly spreading virulent strain of the virus. However, at this meeting of the Monetary Policy Committee, there was a sense that the government had been quite successful in controlling the spread of the variant, and therefore risks to demand from that variant were limited. So in a nutshell, the Monetary Policy Committee came to the conclusion that the economic recovery underway in Pakistan was at a more mature stage, and therefore a greater emphasis was needed to ensure that there is a proper policy mix that entails a gradual reduction in the accommodation from monetary policy side. And this was needed to protect the longevity of growth, to keep inflation expectations anchored, and also to ensure that the current account and deficit that has begun to grow due to the economic recovery remains at sustainable levels.
In terms of what you're going to be doing with monetary policy in coming months then, Governor, how much of a bearing does what the Fed is doing on its own tapering timetable have to do with it?
The Fed's tapering timetable is going to impact Pakistan through the entire asset class of high-yielding emerging markets, of which Pakistan is one. More than that, right now, we are looking primarily at the extent to which high commodity prices in the world, oil, food, others, may impact inflation in Pakistan beyond a transitory manner. The reasons why we also thought that to keep inflation expectations now was the time to begin to signal. And as you noted, the move was gradual, and we have given forward guidance that subsequent moves, if they are considered necessary, will be measured and gradual.